Hey everybody, this is Cartoons and Collecting, and I got a drawing. It's not quite done yet. It's going to say hello. It's a parrot just from my imagination there. I'll probably leave that white, this part here white. But I guess since it's not quite done, I'll just show you some of the shading I'm doing. I'm using my cell phone to draw, so it's different, but yeah. So I should hopefully get this done. Probably tonight sometime. I'll just show you there. Here we go. Kind of looks, now that I look at it, it kind of reminds me of the baby dinosaur, the way the eye is. Well, it's just completely on my imagination. So I'll show some of the shading here. See, I'm looking into the cell phone as I'm drawing, so it's just a different perspective. This is Cartoons and Collecting. Take care, everybody.